5 verschiedene Wege, einen schmalen Seidenschal zu binden.
I kinda grew out of dancing around it, closed my door so you can't get in.
Heute zeige ich dir 5 verschiedene Wege, wie du so einen schmalen Seidenschal binden kannst. Diese Bindetechniken sind ganz easy und einfach nachzustylen. Unten in der Beschreibung findest du Verlinkungen zu meinen anderen Tutorials, wo ich zeige, wie du auch Seidentücher binden kannst. Schau dir das Video zu Ende, schreib in den Kommentaren, welche Bindetechnik dir am besten gefällt. Wenn du magst, kannst du mich liken und wenn du noch nicht gemacht hast, abonniere meinen Kanal.
I used to get sad, let you get under my skin, but I guess I kinda grew out of dancing around it, closed my door so you can't get in, doing better than I've ever been. I'm putting on my makeup, take another shot of all the good stuff, shining when I wake up. I ain't talking, forgetting you like nobody is watching. Good at moving on, yeah. So you can keep trying to knock me down, but I laugh it off. You're losing sleep, trying to bring me down, but I laugh it off. Love to watch you hate me, 'cause I'm stronger. Take a picture, it might last you longer. Yeah, I've been living sky high, 10 feet taller. Yeah, I'm doing better than I've ever been. I'm putting on my makeup, taking another shot of all the good stuff, shining when I wake up. I ain't talking, forgetting you like nobody is watching. Good at moving on, yeah. So you can keep trying to knock me down, but I laugh it off. You're losing sleep, trying to bring me down, but I laugh it off. Love to watch you hate me, 'cause I'm stronger. Take a picture, it might last you long.